In a competitive market where buyers are bidding over the asking price, the biggest risk to your deal is the appraisal coming in lower than your offer. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we break down the complex parts of the mortgage process so you can stay in control. An appraisal gap occurs when the professional appraiser values the home at a price that is lower than what you have agreed to pay the seller. Because a lender will only loan money based on the appraised value. You must have a plan to cover the difference if you want the home. A VA Appraisal Gap Guarantee tells the seller that you are willing to bring a specific amount of cash to the table to bridge that financial hole. This is a powerful tool because it gives the seller confidence that the deal will not fall apart. Even if the appraisal comes in a bit light, you do not have to cover the entire gap. You can simply cap your contribution at a number that fits comfortably within your existing budget. Visit vamortgagespecialist.com to learn how we structure these guarantees to protect your interests, and subscribe. For more expert home buying tactics,